Hello everyone, a very happy morning to all of you. I hope you all are well and enjoying my classes. Let's start our today's session. Do you know what we are going to learn today? Today we are going to revise our previous topic, colorful flowers. Students, let's play some riddles. Students, I will tell you some pictures of the flowers and you will recognize that. Which flower is it? Students, tell me the name of the flower which is red in color and having thorns.
Ma'am, rose.
Very good. Students, tell me the name of flower which is yellow in color and whose name is after the name of sun.
Ma'am, sunflower.
Very good. Now students, tell me the name of the flower which is white in color and it can also be a name of a girl.
Ma'am, daisy.
Very good. Now students, tell me the name of the flower which is pink in color and which floats in water.
Ma'am, lotus.
Now students, let's do an activity of concept zero. Zero means nothing. Students, I will show you some things and you will tell me which is nothing. I have a two bowls. In this bowl, there have some beads. In this bowl, there's no beads. It means nothing. Nothing means zero. My right side have two notebooks, but left side no notebook. No means zero. I have a one cup which have a water and I have one glass also which have no water. No means nothing. Nothing means zero. Now students, open your book. I Can Achiever level 4. Open page number 76. Here students, you will look at the pictures and tick the ones that have zero objects. Students, you see both the plates. In this plate have a biscuit and there is no biscuit. It means zero. So tick here. In the second picture, you see two trays. In this tray, they have a 2 cup of tea, but there is nothing. Nothing means zero. So tick here. Now students, see there are two geometry box. In this geometry box is full of pencils, erasers, and this geometry box is empty. Means nothing. Nothing means zero. So tick here. In the next picture, students, you see two baskets. One basket is full of vegetables and other basket is empty, means nothing. So tick here. The last picture you see are two glasses of one glass of juice and other glass is empty. Empty means 0. So tick here. Now students, open page number 77. Students, here you will add these numbers. 2 plus 1, 3. So write here 3. 3 plus 1, 4. So write here 4. 5 plus 1, 6. So write here 6. 6 plus 1, 7. So write here 7. 4 plus 1, 5. So write here 5. Now students, open page number 78. Here students, you can also add these numbers. 1 plus 2, 3. So write here 3. 1 plus 3. So write here 4. 1 plus 4 is 5. So write here 5. 1 plus 5 is 6. So write here 6. 1 plus 6 is 7. So write here 7. Now students, open page number 79. Here students, you color these pictures correctly. Students, tell me what is the color of rose?
Ma'am, rose is red.
Very good. So fill rose in red color. Which picture is this?
Ma'am, apple.
Apple. What is the color of an apple?
Ma'am, the color of an apple is also red.
Very good. So fill color red and apple. Which vegetable is this?
Cabbage.
Very good. What is the color of cabbage?
Ma'am, red.
No, it's a green. So fill green color in the cabbage. Which picture is this?
Ma'am, deers.
Very good. What is the color of deer?
Ma'am, brown.
No, yellow. So fill yellow color in the deer. Now students, open your book. I Can Achieve a workbook. Open page number 41. Here students, you will trace and write. Say the word as you write. This is the picture of kit. K-I-T, kit. So write here K-I-T, kit. In the next picture, student is sitting on the chair. Sit. S-I-T, sit. So write here S-I-T, sit. In the third picture is a picture of a lid. L-I-D, lid. So write here L-I-D, lid. Open page number 42. In this page, students, Which picture is this? One person dipping tea bag in the teacup. DIP, dip. So right here, DIP, dip. In the next picture, boy is sipping up water. SIP, sip. So right here, SIP, sip. WIG, wig. WIG, wig. So right here, WIG, wig. Now students, let's do an activity. In this activity, students, first I have some beads and one colorful picture. Here students, firstly you see the picture, identify the colors and put the same color beads on there. Okay. Which color is this?
Ma'am, violet.
Very good. So place here violet beads. Very good. Which color is this?
Ma'am, blue.
Very good. So place blue beads here. Which color is this?
Ma'am, brown.
No, it's a red color.
Okay.
So place red bead here. Which color is this?
Ma'am, yellow.
Very good. So put yellow bead here. Which color is this?
Green.
Very good. So place green beads here. What is the color of the hairs of boy?
Black.
Black. Very good. So place black beads here. What is the color of girl's dress?
Orange.
Very good. So place orange beads here. Now students, let's do an activity. For this activity, students, write some numbers on the floor like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now students, you will stand on a number and jump that much time the number is written over there. Now students, sit in a circle with your family and discuss with them what you have done since morning. I will come up with many more new videos. Stay in touch children, do your work, play indoor games for your safety. Happy learning kids, stay at home, stay safe, take care of yourself. Thank you.